It's the end of the year 2022. Me and my friend come especially to the Toronto First Post Office, located at 260 Adelaide Street East in Toronto. Toronto First Post Office is the oldest purpose-built post office in Canada that functioned as a department of the British Royal Mail, and the only surviving example. It has been converted into a small museum that showcases the history of postal communications in the city. Here we can see the exhibits on the evolution of the postal system, learn about the daily operations of the post office, and see artifacts such as old stamps and letters. And of course, learn the story of the famous postmaster. I can't go into all the details here. I encourage you to do a little research on the fascinating story of the postmaster and his adventures as a personal messenger. It's a tale that's sure to captivate and inspire. The museum attracts history buffs who want to delve into Toronto's rich postal history. A little room is at the end of the small museum. The walls display a collection of faded photos that offer a glimpse into the city's postal past. These photos provide visual records of the past and give visitors a better understanding of what life was like in Toronto's early days. It's a short but educational and memorable visit for me and my friend. I'm sure you'll feel the same if you come to the Toronto First Post Office and experience its rich history for yourself.